Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I'm doing another acrylic painting. I kind of wanted to explain why the background is already painted. So when I do paintings and I have paint left over, I always take that paint and put it onto another surface and use it in my art in some way. Now I had done a painting previously with those colors that are in the background, and I'd cleaned them off just onto a notebook, and I really liked the kind of color combination that was happening, so I took the rest of it and kind of watered it down and put it on this watercolor paper just to create kind of a stormy, rainy sort of background scene, landscape. And I really liked it. Now, I wanted to paint a bird, so I looked up a bird that would match my background. So that's where the colors of this bird came from. And it's supposed to be some sort of magpie. I could not find, a lot of information on this bird, like any real information. When I clicked on it, it took me to Pinterest, which had nothing, so maybe it's just some random bird. And of course, it's my drawing, so it's not perfect dimensions, but I tried my hardest. And my paints that I'm using, I know I'm using a tiny brush. Well, I wanted the feather look, so that's why I went with the small brush. And I was not having a lot of luck laying the paint down. It was really kind of dry brush effect, which works okay for this particular picture, but it was getting really frustrating. So I think I might have to just toss these paints. These are Grumbacher from my college days, which was longer ago than I care to admit. So it's probably time they retire, especially that dark brown. I don't know which one's the burnt umber, which one's the raw umber. Anyways, the darker one, it's almost empty, and it's getting pretty solid. So I threw that one out right after I finished this painting, and the others will probably go soon. Anyway, I'm just going to play some music. I hope you're liking the acrylic paintings. They don't get as many views as the others. If you do like it, share it somewhere. Maybe I'll get a few more views that way. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Love to hear your comments. Anyway, I'll let the music play, and I hope you enjoy watching. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.